you open your EVS workbook. Open your EVS workbook, page number 28. Open your EVS workbook, page number 28. Tick the items that are needed for your survival. Which are needed for your survival? हम इकड़े ये bag, water bottle, bag and a bundle of clothes. Okay, what is survival? Both Nana. Tick to bottle and also clothes. Both are your survival. Bottle and clothes. But that is no need. That is our want. That is not our need. That need, want kaadu. Sorry. That is the want but not need. Here in the second picture, which is the need? Shelter is the need. Tick to shelter. Means house. Next, last one. What is the need? Dress and food is the need. Not need the building. A big building is a want, not a need. So, frock and also food. Tick to them. Next, take next page. Tell whether each situation given below is a need or a want. Write N for need and W for want. Your socks are worn out, so you go to store to buy new one. Money socks చిరిగిపోయినాయిరా కొనుక్కోవడానికి వెళ్ళాలి. అది నీడా వాంటా? Going to the shop to buy sack is a need. Write N. Write N. Next, your family plans to buy a brand new home theater in the house. Ma, you are asking the new brand home theater. That is a want. Write down. W keep. You go to the store to buy eggs, fruits, vegetables and milk. These are the needed things. Groceries we need. That is a food item. So that is a need. And right. I go to the store to buy imported chocolates and biscuits. Imported chocolates and biscuits. Not normal. So that is also a want. Right, W. We are sick. So your mother goes to. You are sick. So your mother goes to the medical shop to buy medicines. If you are sick, we need medicines. That is the need. Right? You plan to celebrate your birthday in a star hotel. You are going to celebrate your birthday in a star hotel. That is a want. W. Your shuttle rocket is worn out, so you go to the sport goods store to buy a new one. Amma, shuttle is an extra curriculum only. Adi need kaadu. Manaki adi extra need. So W. You plan to visit Europe in the holiday. That is also want. W. You buy paper and markers to make a special card for your mother's birthday. That is special wish. So W. Next. Look at as many objects as you can in your house. Discuss with your parents to identify whether each object is a need or a want. Amma, in your house, you have lot of things in your house. మీ ఇంట్లో చాలా థింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా. What are need? What are want? Write the names of them. You have seen lot of things in your house. మీ ఇంట్లో చాలా థింగ్స్ మీకు కనబడుతుంటాయి. ఆ థింగ్స్లో నీడ్ ఏంటి, వాంట్ ఏంటి వెరిఫై చేసి నీడ్స్ని నీడ్స్లో రాయండి, వాంట్స్ని వాంట్స్లో రాయండి. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ వర్క్. Next, note down some banking related terms. Banking related. Account. Account is banking related. And debit and withdraw are the banking related. Debit and withdrawal. Next, interest. Giving interest is also banking related. Savings also banking related. Savings also bank related. Credit and deposit are credit and debit. Deposit. Credit and deposit are banking related. Loans also bank related. Online banking also related to the banking only. Online banking is also related to banking. Is related to bank. And last one, mobile banking also interconnected with the bank. Mobile banking also interconnected with the bank. These are the works of a bank. These are the benefits of a bank. These are the duties of a bank. Rubbing Nana. Next, say whether the following statement are true or false. Wants are same for each and every person. Wants are same. No, needs are same, but not wants. First one is false. Mobile phone is a need nowadays. Yes, mobile phone is needed to you now. How you can see the classes? So that is a need. True. Nowadays it is needed. It is need to you. How can you see your classes? That's what it is needed to you. Humans needs are alternative. Needs are not alternative. Wants are alternative. అంటే ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ వన్ ప్లస్లో ఇంకోటి ఒక వాంట్ అయిపోయింది అంటే ఇది విష్ చేశాను ఇది వచ్చేసింది నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకోటి విష్ చేస్తాం ఇంకొకటి విష్ చేస్తాం అలా ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ ఒక దాని ప్లేస్ ఇంకోటి వచ్చేస్తూనే ఉంటుంది బట్ నాట్ నీడ్ నీడ్స్ ఆర్ ఓన్లీ ద బేసిక్ నీడ్స్ దేర్ వోంట్ బి ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ వాంట్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ సో ఫాల్స్ ATM is used to withdraw money at any time. Yes, we can withdraw money in any time by the ATM. True. To own a car is a need for everyone. It is needed to own a car to everyone. No, that you want. Sorry, false. Okay. Complete your answers. Next one. Fill in the blanks. After needs have been satisfied, the priorities shift towards wants. Okay? First one is wants. We have enough needed things. Then our thoughts change it to wants. The things that are made, grown and sold are goods. All people accept dash as payment for goods and services. All accept the money for everything. Currency of Japan, yen. Currency of Japan is yen. sorry, yen. Yen, Y-E-N, yen. Currency of Japan is yen. Direct exchange of goods or services is the exchanging of goods is a barter system. I said no. Exchanging of in the olden days there is no invention of money. Money is not there in those days. So the people exchange their goods. That system is called a barter system. So barter system. Barter system. Okay? Completed answer, Nana. Any lines completed? I'm ready. Next one is match the following. Want. Want currency can be shared, cannot be shared. Physical object we must have, we like to have. Want, we like to have. Match to we like to have. Want, we like to have. Goods, physical objects. మనకి కనబడతాయి goods. Physical objects. Need, we must have. Need లేకపోతే మనం బ్రతకం. We must have. ఖచ్చితంగా మనకు కావాలి needs. Needs we must have. Money means currency. Money means currency. Service cannot be shared. Service మన సర్వీస్ ఇంకొక షేర్ చేయరాదు. Cannot be shared. Next, how can you differentiate between goods and services? Next, how can you differentiate between goods and services? How can you differentiate between goods and services? Goods and services. Goods are these are the physical commodities. These can be touched. These can be touched. These can be stored. These can be stored. These can be stored. These can be shared. These can be shared. Services. These are processes or activities. These are the processes or activities. These are the processes or activities. These can be touched. These can be touched. Sorry, these cannot be touched. Services. Services can be touched. Yes. These can be touched. These cannot stored. These cannot These cannot be stored. These cannot be shared. These cannot be shared. These cannot be shared. Next, complete the given table. Complete your answers. Goods, these are the physical commodities. Services, these are the process or activities. Process or activities. These can be touched, and services also can be touched. These can be stored. The goods can be stored, but the services cannot be stored. The goods can be shared. The goods, we can give our goods to another person, but the services we cannot give to another person. So complete your answers. Complete your answers, Nana. Abhi. Take next bit. Complete the following. Complete the given below. Complete the table given below. What I pay for. What I bought, goods or service. Amma, haircut. Haircut. We are giving money for both. We are buying the things, Nana. We are buying the things in the shop. That is a buying. Things are the goods. Here, things are the good. Books. Book is a thing. It is a good. Book, pen, pencil, rice, cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, clothes, mobile, fan, ivanni kuda goods. These are the goods. Goods, we can see them. And kanapadtayi. Your hair grown. Your hair grown. So you have to go to the barber to cut your hair. To cut your hair. That is a service. Barber is giving service to you. You are paying both side money. ఇప్పుడు నీకు కావాల్సిన ఐటెం కొనుక్కొచ్చుకోవడానికి కూడా నువ్వు మనీ ఇస్తావు. నీకు బుక్స్ కావాలి. You are buying the books. For that also you are giving the money. బుక్స్ కొనుక్కొచ్చుకుంటున్నావురా. ఆ బుక్స్ కూడా నువ్వు మనీ ఇస్తున్నావు. That is the good. For the good you are giving the money. Books are the goods. For that also you are giving the money. And haircut. You are going to the barber. He is cutting your hair. That is a service. He is giving his service to you. ఇక్కడ మనం గూడ్స్ కొనుక్కొచ్చుకున్నప్పుడు మన ఇంట్లో గూడ్స్ కనబడతాయి. మరి హెయిర్ కట్కి వెళ్ళొచ్చినప్పుడు మనకు థింగ్స్ కనబడతాయా? No, we can't see anything. Only that is a service. Service is not seen. Service is not seen. Service మనకు కనబడదు. We are giving for both. We are giving money for the both, for the goods, and also we are giving money for the service also. Okay? First one చూడండి ఇక్కడ. Haircut. Haircut is a service. Barber is giving service to you. Barber is giving service to you. Haircut is the service. Understand me? He is giving service to you. Okay. Next, groceries. Groceries means food items. They are the goods. They are the goods. Movie. Movie is giving entertainment. Movie కి వెళ్ళొచ్చేటప్పుడు నీకు ఏమైనా థింగ్స్ వస్తాయా ఇంటికి? You are getting anything, sir? No, you are not getting anything, sir. Movie is giving entertainment, means service. ఇప్పుడు హీరోస్ అందరు వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారా వాళ్ళు? ఓకే, దే ఆర్ గెటింగ్ ద మనీ. వాట్ దే ఆర్ గివింగ్ టు us? They are giving entertainment. Entertainment is one of the service, not the good. Goods అంటే goods మనకు కనబడాలి అక్కడ. మన మూవీకి వెళ్ళొచ్చాక ఏమైనా గుడ్ కనబడుతుందా? మనకు ఏమైనా థింగ్ కనబడుతుందా? నో, దట్ ఈస్ ఏ సర్వీస్. మూవీ ఈజ్ ఏ సర్వీస్. నెక్స్ట్, బైయింగ్ bicycle repair. Bicycle repair. Bicycle repair ఏంటి చెప్పండి అన్న? Bicycle repair అయిందనుకో నువ్వు రిపేర్కి ఇస్తావు. వాట్ హీ ఈస్ గివింగ్ టు యూ? రిపేర్ చేసినందుకు నువ్వు డబ్బులు ఇస్తావు. యూ గేవ్ యువర్ గూడ్ టు హిమ్. నీ గూడ్ని నువ్వు అతనికి ఇచ్చి దాన్ని రిపేర్ చేయమన్నావు. వాట్ హీ ఈస్ గివింగ్ టు యూ? సర్వీస్ ఆర్ గుడ్? దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ గుడ్ ఓన్లీ. అది నీ థింగే. దాన్ని ఏం చేస్తాడు? రిపేర్ చేస్తాడు. మీన్స్ హీ గేవ్ యూ సర్వీస్. హీ గేవ్ యూ సర్వీస్. నెక్స్ట్, లాండ్రీ. అమ్మ మన క్లోత్స్ మనము లాండ్రీకి ఇస్తాం. లాండ్రీ ఆల్సో గివింగ్ సర్వీస్. నీ క్లోత్స్నే అతను వాష్ చేసి మంచి ఐరన్ చేసి ఇస్తున్నాడు. మీన్స్ హీ ఈస్ గివింగ్ సర్వీస్ టు యూ. ఫర్ దట్ ఆల్సో we are paying the money. మనము సర్వీస్ కూడా మనీ ఇస్తున్నాం. బట్ హీ ఈస్ గివింగ్ సర్వీస్. లాండ్రీ అంటే వాషర్ మ్యాన్. Washer man is giving service to you by washing clothes, by ironing clothes. He is giving service. Service. Next, toys. Amma toys entra. Toys, we are able to see the toys. That is a good. Goods. Next one. Next one is pizza home delivery. Pizza home delivery. మనం కొనుక్కోవడానికి వెళ్ళట్లేదు, హోమ్ డెలివరీ చేస్తున్నాడు. దట్ మీన్స్ హీ ఈస్ గివింగ్ గూడ్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో సర్వీస్. అంటే ఎందుకు? మన ఇంటికి తీసుకొచ్చిస్తున్నాడు కదా. హీ ఈస్ గివింగ్ హిస్ సర్వీస్, బోత్ గుడ్ అండ్ సర్వీస్. హీ ఈస్ గివింగ్ బోత్ గుడ్ అండ్ సర్వీస్. Vegetables, goods. Vegetables, goods. Auto is giving service to us. Auto, service. Auto, service. Toys, goods. Sorry, vegetables, goods. Pizza delivery, goods and service. Auto, service. Paint. Amma, paint is a good. మనకు కనబడుతుంది. బట్ పెయింటింగ్ వేయడానికి వస్తారు కదా. పెయింటింగ్ మన ఇంట్లో మొత్తం పెయింట్ వేసి వెళ్తారు. మీన్స్ దే ఆర్ గివింగ్ సర్వీస్ టు us. దట్ ఈస్ ఎ సర్వీస్. They are painting our walls. They came to our house and they painted our walls. మన ఇంటి అంతా పెయింట్ చేసి వెళ్తారు. Means they are giving the service to us. Service. Cement is a good. We are able to see the cement. But construction, మన ఇల్లుని కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ చేసి వెళ్తారు. The construction is a service. Construction is a service. Okay? Complete your answers, Nana. My today's class is completed. Remaining notes I will give tomorrow's class. Okay, bye.